So the PFJL has been trying their best to improve the local Premier League. And to be honest, there have been improvements to the product, but still some ways to go. But this latest incident, though, which unfolded in the game between Harbourview and Mullines United, where the two teams turned up in the same colors and with the same pattern. Surprisingly, the game went on for 15 minutes before the referee them eye start get dazzled and them stop the game. But why did the referees start the game in the first place? Don't they check for all these details well before the start of the game? So the action that belatedly saw one of the teams borrowing some gear from another team in order to complete the game, what was done after 15 minutes should have been done before the start of the game. And look, these things might seem small and simple. I call them basic. One of several basic things that add up in the end to make or break the overall image and packaging of the league. These things need fixing, big and small. We need to fix them all if we want to improve the football.